Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the extension install. First, check curl is present with curl version. Once done, open your browser's extension manager. You'll need developer mode or extension permissions enabled. Do that now. Make sure you have any API keys or endpoints copied to the clipboard. This avoids delays. Install the extension file or add-on and accept requested permissions. You're acting fast. This gets you from 0 to a runnable extension in minutes. Once the extension is installed, configure it. Open settings and paste your API key or token where prompted and set default headers like content type. Next, configure timeouts and proxy options if needed. These affect reliability. Use the built-in request editor, compose a simple get to your chosen endpoint, and run it. Observe the response pane for status codes and headers. If the request succeeds, you've confirmed connectivity and correct configuration. If not, note the error code. You're finishing by saving your request profiles and export settings so you can reuse them. Then run the full request workflow you plan to automate. Check request bodies, auth flows, and response parsing. If something breaks, collect the failing request details, status code, response body, and headers so you can debug. As a key tip, restart the extension or clear its cache if it hangs. This often resolves permission or stale credential issues quickly, and then retry the same request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.